So we are looking at a relatively simple code here. The first thing I want you to notice is the name of the code is MathSample.java. If you notice here, it's the same name next to the word class. This is called a class declaration. That means that a class will declare how the object will be, and MathSample is the method. So the first thing you want to know is when you're writing code, you have to save the file based on the main method, the name of the main method, and you're saving it as .java. You can simply write this code in a text file. This is a .txt file. So it could be a notepad, a simple text file. You don't need to download any special program for this. Now, if you look at the code, this is the basic format. There, these two lines may not be there, may not always be there, but this line has to be there. This is the main line which says public class and the name here, the name of the method, the main method. And following that, the name of the class declaration, I'm sorry. So this is public class MathSample. So this is the class declaration. And right below that, there's another sentence which says public static void main, which is a declaration of the main method. This method will basically tell you in here, this is string ... arguments. That's short for arguments. And that will tell you that the arguments in this method will generate the output that you're seeking. Also, you notice here it says system out print line, and then whatever's within this bracket will be printed. So this is the basic line that you need to be able to compile your program and view the result. If you don't, if your code doesn't have this line system out print ln, then your code may be valid and it may compile, but it may not print on it will not print on the screen. You will not see any visual representation. You can just compile it and use it for other codes. So, and let's start with the package here. It says package java.lang. So this is called a package declaration. So package declaration reveals the name of the package, which here is java.lang, which essentially means that this package within the package Java, there's language, and from that package, now the next line is import. So from that package, you're importing java.lang.math. That means you're importing the scope of this package. Now this math, the scope that you're importing from this package will essentially be used in your calculation. If you notice here, it says math dot square root, and there you have the value here. So this is basically it's telling you to format what's within this what the value of this square root, and you have to calculate that way. So and what else? And you have here the block delimiters. So that must be there. Otherwise, if you go to compile this code, you'll see an error message. So this block delimiters will be basically the what you will keep the codes in. So it starts here and it ends there. If you notice that the delimiters always has a start and end, like any bracket. Anytime you put something in a bracket, you have to use the the beginning parenthesis and the or sorry, the beginning bracket and the end bracket here. So, and within this block, you have the main method. Now, in this main method, you also have to put in more items here, more functions, how the print function and how to calculate the my number function, and that also you have to put in within the bracket here. And then, if you notice these, um, this parenthesis here, you have to put that at the end of every functioning line. That means that this line is done and a new line is starting. So that's basically the visual elements of it. I will get into the details in the next video.